Which day this particular thing will make the arrest? Which day this thing happen?
On Thursday.
On Thursday. Okay, how many of una dey this? How many of una dey do this thing?
We dey two.
How long una don dey do am?
Well, it's 3-4 months.
Oh, you just started 3-4 months ago.
Yes, sir.
Are you telling me the truth?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this, if una dey, you dey drive motor now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how you take encounter this girl that day?
I asked him a question. Address.
Which question you
Address.
answer?
Say, address.
I'm talking. Why you take answer?
I asked him St. Michael Hospital whether you know, and he said no.
Okay, you answer whether you know St. Michael Hospital.
Yes.
Because say no.
Yes.
Okay, so after that, wetin come happen?
My second content, I content and say I know from this side.
Okay.
From outside country, come say I carry market come.
Okay, that time for inside the motor, how many of una dey the motor?
Only me.
Only you. Okay, so later your second come
Join am.
join like say in a stranger too.
What they pass.
Okay, so what do your second come do?
I can't stay answer am. He say no. Say come they ask the guys like this when they carry market they come. It's like the boy I come tell them say I carry market come they want pay me Nigerian money. I know sabi come.
Okay, like I said, I don't want too many stories because I dey manage time. So your second, you and your second already plan am before you stop the girl. Okay, so your second now convince the girl say yeah make the help you.
Yes.
Okay, so now just go straight to how you do those small go to Reverend Sister and the rest. How you take post it for your
I
hand.
come tell am say I pack am for Reverend Sister. Make we go that place. Say if they help me, I go give them one
You
phone.
pack your goods for Reverend Sister
Yes.
place.
Say if they help me, I go give them one phone.
Okay.
Then quite agree. Follow me. You reach. I tell them say Reverend Sister no dey.
Okay.
But anybody will not be society. No be follow us. Make we check. He come post it. He come back for here. Come tell am say any change.
Well, how you take pour the spit?
Him pour by himself. I can't touch him back.
Who pour the spit?
The girl.
Okay, as the girl pour the spit.
Yeah.
How the spit come take appear for the
I
bag?
can't touch for my own. Touch am for the back.
She know say you touch am. Okay, so when she come see say the spit appear for her back, she come
Dey confused.
dey convinced say na spiritual something true.
Yes.
So after that, wetin you come do again?
I come tell am say anything, any money wey you hold, say him go hold am for her. Anything wey dey their house, we go bring am. You understand? Make we take and break the oath before you go bring those things.
Okay, you tell am say that thing wey una do na oath.
Yes.
Say so to break the oath, everything wey she get, she has to bring am.
Yes.
Okay, now she come take go bring
This thing.
this
Change
thing.
them.
Okay, what about her ATM card?
He did with my second.
How you take collect the ATM card from her?
Nine give us.
I know that one. She just give you, Abina, you tell her may give you.
Yes.
You tell her may give you the card. So how you take collect the pin?
Nine call the pin.
Okay, you talk something like say your second too still give you your ATM card.
No, he no give me.
Okay, not give you card.
Yes.
Okay. So she now give you card. Once he give you a pin,
Yes.
how much una withdraw from the account?
He get 130, collect 124.
Okay, una collect 124, leave 6,000 naira for the account. Yeah, na for withdraw the money
Na POS stand.
for POS stand. Okay, so where the ATM card now?
He did with that second.
Oh, you dey with your second.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you convince her now to.
wọ́n ti gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn ènìyàn ní gbogbo àsìkò tí wọ́n fi ń wu ìwà burúkú tí wọ́n wù yìí. Ẹni tó jẹ́ Bright Ẹ̀dáfẹ́ ó sọ di mímọ̀ wípé lẹ́yìn tí ọwọ́ ti bàbá yìí tí ó sì ti jẹ́wọ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ pé lóòótọ́ àti lódodo ó ní àwọn ti jingiri nínú iṣẹ́ yìí. Ó ní kò sí nǹkan méjì tí ń dá wọn dúró ju kí àwọn takọ́sọ́ wọn lọ sí ilé ẹjọ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà lẹ́ ń wò lójú móhùnmáwòrán tí wọ́n ti lu àwọn èèyàn ní jìbìtì àtowó òbítíbitì. À ń fi àkókò yìí rọ gbogbo wa pé ẹjá ya ikọ̀ ojú ni alákànfin sọ́rí. Bí ènìyàn bá béèrè ọ̀nà àbí tí wọ́n béèrè nǹkan míì lọ́wọ́ wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká wò ó dáadáa kó tó di pé a ṣe é. Torí pé àwọn amúresínú ṣe ni wọ́n ti pọ̀ lóde báyìí káàkiri orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ìpínlẹ̀ Delta ò ní ó wà báyìí tí wọ́n ti ń bi léèrè ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí láti ẹnu àwọn ẹni tó jẹ́ agbófinró iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ọ̀hún. Ǹjẹ́ tá a bá wá rẹ́ni tí ó ń béèrè ọ̀nà lọ́wọ́ wa, tiẹ̀ má wulẹ̀ jẹ́ ká tiẹ̀ dá ẹni tọ̀ ń lóhùn débi tí a tiẹ̀ wá sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá wá kàràǹgídá ẹni kí ẹni tọ̀ ń gba iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá tó bá súnmọ́ ni jùlọ láti lọ béèrè ọ̀nà náà lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀. Àní bọ́ sọ́wọ́ o láṣẹ Elédùmarè.
They will be aware of what is going on. Like I said before, we should be very careful when people who ordinarily are matured enough to know what is happening around them come to you and say they are strangers, they are looking for direction. Personally, I don't give anybody direction. If you need direction, go to the nearest police station and ask for direction. If you want to try to help people like this, just imagine what the madam must have lost and the amount of money that was withdrawn from her account. We have had cases. This is the second time we are parading somebody like this, and we'll continue to do our best to get them out of the society and send them to prison where they are supposed to be. Thank you.